Hello and welcome to the first part of the turning series. The first part is to show you what turning is and to give you a first good impression about the themes. Now we first have a look on the main components of the CNC lathe. It starts with the machine bed, where the machine is built on. Next we have the control panel, where the machinist controls the process. The safety door provides the machinist from chips and hazardous substances. The chip conveyor puts the chips out of the lathe. Then we have the spindle. The spindle rotates the part very quick, so the tool can cut it. And all the tools are montaged on the revolver, who can quickly change between the different tools. Now we can come to the outcome of the machine. I will show you an example on the top. You can see the raw material, what comes in the machine, and under it you can see a finished part. But I think you want to see how the machine turn it right. So now I'm going to show you how it looks like. When the lathe is turning a part, you can see how the part is rotating and how the tool is working and doing chips. The lathe needs to hold the part with the chuck, who takes the cutting force and put it into the machine bed. You will learn later more about cutting forces, or the chuck in this clip. You can see the coolant as well. Now you have a better knowledge about turning, you know how raw material and finished parts look like, you know the main parts of the machine, and you know how a working machine is looking.